Good morning! Today I am back to Brighton. I just love it, okay? That's why I keep going. But also I just wanted to show my outfit. I kind of feel like this looks like you'd go to a festival wearing this. Oh my god, we're finally on our train. Literally, we got to the we got on the in the station at 23 past and our train came at 24 past, so we ran for it and we got on, and then as soon as I got on it closed, and then we've been walking the wrong way. We meant to walk up to the Maddie's changing. We meant to walk up to the front of the train and we just walked to the back, so we need to go all the way up there in a bit. I can't see anyone in there. It's the driver. I can see someone. The driver's there. Where? Should we go back? Well, I don't know. Okay, if you remember last time we didn't get here in time, but we're gonna make our train.
Oh, they're shooting the pigeon! Like people shooting the pigeon!
Oh my god. How excited out 10?
11. 40!
Oh, the scales! The train just stopped. Yeah, the train kind of stopped and I fell. And I stood on Olivia's foot and fell into the door and then it opened. It's on playing the piano in Brighton Station.
Yeah. 1 in 25.
25? That is a...
1 in 5, 1 in 5, do it.
1 in 5, mate. I'll do 1 in 5. 1 in 10. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 6. Oh. There's a lady in this toilet. Yeah, you definitely can't tell that's a toilet. And she's been... It's locked.
Yeah.
And she's been there for so long.
She's just stood in there. She's just stood in there because there's no space.
Ow, we have arrived in Brighton. It's a really nice train station.
We're already in Brighton.
This guy's playing the piano, but I can't even hear him. You can't hear him? Why? Oh well. We are nearly at the beachfront. We're by Odeon, and then we've got to walk along there to the pier. Let's go to 3 toilets. It's saying if Maddie went kayaking and a shark ate her. I don't know why. I don't know why we're like that, but yeah, we're on the beachfront now. That's all I was saying.
Look, it's a lobster. It's Dan's mum.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, Phil's
wait,
mum.
what?
Phil's mum.
What about
lobster?
Her? Oh, okay. There's someone here on the things. He's got his head stuck on the things where you put your head. Low-key vlogging it. Oh my god, this ride that spins, the yellow one, Olivia wants to go on it. Maddie's anti-rides and Olivia's me and Olivia hyper-rides. Oh, we just took pictures in this. So funny. Wow. This is my 4th time here and I still want to go on it. I'm ready for death. We're watching the water rides. Maddie got a milkshake.
Bananery.
We're sat on the beach now. I just touched seaweed with my hand. Look, it's so nice. Olivia can get down. The seagulls. Make sure they don't poo on you. Yeah, my buttered roll got squished a bit. That's all I'm saying. Alfie always vlogs this guy. He just looks a bit like Alfie always vlogs this guy. Metal detector. What's he looking for? Metal? Oh. I wouldn't have guessed. I'm going in the sea. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god, there's loads of seagulls, and also I'm filming a time lapse because I wanna. Oh my god, get away. Oh my god, we were just filming the time lapse and a seagull tried to take my phone. What? This is traumatic.
Okay, so Sinead and Liv went to the sea for a bit. There's a hot lifeguard right there. Ooh. Yeah. Look like they're having some fun. Probably freezing, seeing it's Britain. They're both wearing shoes. Wait, that doesn't sound as weird as I thought it did.
Olympics who? There's a guy swimming over there. We have been in the sea. Oh wait, yeah, I'll put it in the shade so there's no glare. Olivia's taking pictures of me. Yeah, that is all. Little update. The sea came in really quick, so we're going into town now. Maddie there with Marcus's hair, and I was like, Marcus Butler, and I was gonna vlog him, but I couldn't. I'm not Alfie Days. Anyway, we're going to the lanes now. Woo! What are you gonna do? I think we should play a drinking game and drink every single time Mads puts her thumbs up to the camera.
The Taj Mahal.
Shut up! I'm trying to film a cute shot. Look, that's well nice actually. Oh, it smells like old museums in here. Oh. Just went in Lush, it smells so good. And it like reminded me of the first time I met Holly. Right, Maddie has dragged us into this armour and guns and all of these old things.
It's not armour, it's armoury.
Ooh, I'm joking. We're stuck trying to find Photomatics, so confusing. Oi oi! Oh my god, shut. Are you? We are being tramps and just sat outside Photomatic because they're out having lunch and we're just waiting.
They're out lunching.
So we left Photomatic because like this woman wasn't coming back or whoever was there working. But now we're going to go down and on the rides. But look how little this is.
I would do this. I would like give you tablets.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind?
What are you going to get hit by 10 cars?
Oh my god, we're on the pit. Look at all these people. Girls left me. Don't leave me. We're about to go on the monsters. Oh my god, that's going so fast. How cute is this? We had to like pay for the rides at the kiosk thing, and we got like these cards. Oh my god, look at how nice that looks. You're going here. Oh my god, I'm ready for death. Oh, I feel like support now your neck goes floppy. I've lost my voice. Oh my god, the waltzes were so funny. Oh, you probably saw. But now we're going on this one. Oh, no, Maddie's gonna film us. I'm not filming on there, no way. Goes over the wall, well, it kind of goes over the wall.
Goes upside down. time of my life.
Mads, did you film the whole of it? I kept looking down at you and I was like, away! Anyway, I was going to say on the ride, I don't know if you heard me screaming, but I was screaming pretty loud. I just love screaming on rides. I like doing the stereotypical things that you expect on rides, okay? This is great. If you come to Brighton, don't go to the fish, don't go to the fish and chip place on the pier because it's so expensive. Come to Harry Ramsden's, £3 for a large chip. So good. So we ate our food and now we're leaving. We're not going to go to the photo booth or Boho Gelato Christ, but it's fun, been there before. Goodbye pier, goodbye beach. I do want to come back here like every week, imagine, that would be so sick. Oh, I hope so. Train floor light. We like stood up there and it was so packed and it was horrible. But we got Olivia a seat because she needs to sit down. Pretty tired, not gonna lie. You tired? Very tired. Maddie was taking a video and
Ghost was spotted.
anyway, we're at Clapham now. Finally got off that packed AF train. Special announcement. I've got my water, mate. We're back in the hometown with the what?
I'm gonna drop my bag and all the cigarettes.
Huh? With the boat-shaped flats. Yay, we're back. There's Nathan. He's vlogging me. Hello. Hello, Nathan. My voice. Oh my god, I'm so tired. He's gonna want to hear it all about it. My camera's not even dying. Jeez, I've not used it much today. Anyway, goodbye, Maddie.
Oh,
bye,
bye vlog.
Okay, I'm gonna do the outro to this vlog now. It's been quite a good day. Very hot. Also, I am aware I am greasy as heck. I'm sweaty. Okay, it was hot. And also I'm covered in sun cream, so those two things together equals this, so embrace it. And yes, I know I have makeup down my face. Anyway, I just want to wrap this up. Olivia wasn't feeling too great by the end of the day. I'm not going to go into detail because I tweeted about it and she was like, delete the tweet, so I'm not going to talk about it in vlog. We did end up going to the pharmacy, that's all I'm saying. I know I go to Brighton a lot, but honestly Brighton just makes me a more positive person. It's an amazing place. I get along with the people, well, like the people that serve you in shops and stuff. They're so friendly and it just makes me happy because my idols live there, they go there often, and just knowing that just makes me happy. You might not understand if you don't have your own happy place, but it's important to find your happy place, because if you know where that is, if you're ever feeling down or you need to get your spirits up, then you can just go there. Get out of the house, go on a walk, speak to people, be kind to people, because I promise being kind to others makes you feel better, because you know that you could have brightened their day. And I think that's an amazing thing to, like, I know I'm rambling, but I just want to say it's like so nice to be nice, because all you're doing is making other people positive, and that's incredible. Making other people's day. When somebody makes my day, that makes me feel good, and it makes me want to go out and make other people's day. So you've got to be that person who's spreading the positivity all around the world. And I should do a video on this. Okay, oh my god, this has been so long, you're probably not even watching, but if anyone is, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, watch all my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.